I love the dance so much. So, I'm in Greece, huh? Hi, guys. Sorry for embarking inside of your country. My apologies for just dropping inside of your country just like that. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, the first question I have for y'all: do any of y'all know Bob Marley? Do any one of you guys know Bob Marley? If so, please let me know. If not, well, you guys can check out Bob Marley. So the reason why I'm stopping by in this country, it's because I know nothing at all about Greece's music. Like, I'm absolutely clueless about Greece's music. Right? I'm pretty sure that in Jamaica, we really don't stream Greece music. I'm not really sure if in Jamaica there are anyone who listen to the Greece music. But if not, I'll be the first. I'll be the first. Guys, thank you so much for accepting me in your country. I just want to learn about the music. I just want to learn about the culture. I just want to learn about the people, everything that is of Greece. Oh well, but I'll be reacting to this specific female. She goes by the name of Marina Satti. The song that I'll be reacting to is called Zari. And this is in Greece. Right? Greece, my bros. Greece, guys. Oh! Yo, I'm excited for this one. I'm really excited. To be honest, I'm so excited because Jamaican music is just Jamaican music. And if I could spread my wings just to go across the world, just to witness a lot of you guys' music, then I'll be happy to be a part of your music. So guys, without further ado, let's take a trip into the Greece world. I'll see you there. Peace. Oh, yo, the beat is super, bro. Her voice is magnificent, bro. Oh man, beautiful landmark. Oh wow, wow. Well, in my country, we don't really have a lot of landmark, to be honest. We have statues of great artists, but not landmark, bro. But what a beautiful country Greece is really is, bro. I mean, like, oh man, I'm so happy to be in Greece right now. I say the dance is amazing. The dance moves are so cool, right? And I have to say, beautiful place, bro. I've never yet seen anything about Greece in my entire life. To be honest, I never tried to research what is Greece like. But to see all of this, to witness all of this in this music video when it comes on to Greece, bro, I'm interested to know more. I'm interested because the message itself, it's quite inevitable. It's amazing. It's really amazing, right? Beautiful. Oh, astounding this music is really are. Oh, astounding this place is really is. I'm surprised, bro. I'm really surprised. Stupendous. Fuck, they're good. I give up. They're really good, right? Despite of the language with the subtitles there. Either way, this music is phenomenal. Phenomenal. Right? The country here, bro, the entire place looks magnificent, bro. I mean, look at this, bro. Wow. The cities, the towns, the areas where they are located, bro. It's amazing. I never see something so beautiful in a country like this before, bro. I mean, like, I've seen a lot, though. I've seen a lot. But Greece, they stands out, bro. They stands out. I don't know, guys, but the people in Greece are really cool, bro. I mean, like, in the world, there are a lot of people, different country, different race, different religion. Everything is just different, bro. And to sit and to listen to someone who's from the Greece country, the voice is stupendous. Wow. Just to say, I can see a lot of images is being displaying on this video. Beautiful food, beautiful people, beautiful shops, beautiful dance, right? Everything is just so beautiful. It's so amazing, bro. I would love to come to the Greece country one day, though. To be honest, I would love to come there, bro. I gotta say, this was a very excellent song, excellent country, and excellent energy. I enjoyed it, to be honest. Guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash a subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. And please state your suggestion that I should react to next. It will not be a problem for me to check it out. So, peace out.